Good evening, sir and ma'am. My name is Aryan, and I am from December batch Cybersecurity 2024. I am here to present my minor project on cybersecurity, that is all nmap scan of vulnerable machine and identify vulnerabilities on each port. I'm going to show you how we can use nmap to find the vulnerabilities and weakness of a system. So what is nmap? It is a network scanning tool. We can use it to scan any network. For that we have used our metasploitable machine. I already opened it in my Windows operating system, so it will not be visible here. The IP address of my metasploitable machine is 192.168.1.5. So now we will do scanning on that machine. Before that we have to become a root user. Now we are Kali user. We can check that by who am I command. So we can see that now we are Kali user, but we need to become a root user to do all these tasks. To become root user, we run the following command sudo, so then it will ask us for password, and the password for this will be Kali. And if we check now who we are by who am I command, it will give us root user. So we can see that it is giving us root user. Now let us clear the terminal. So now we are going to perform our first scan. So just simply write nmap and then provide the IP address, that is 192.168.1.5, and then we'll just press enter. So the scanning has already started. So what we are doing, what we are scanning now, what is its use? It gives us the overall quick view to see if a target system is accessible. So we can see that the system is accessible now. So we can see that the ports and state of the ports and services available on them, ports available and the services available on them. Now if you want to scan a range of ports available, so we can use this command to scan multiple IP address within the specific range. So we will mention the range from 5 to 8. So so as we can see that the scan is done. By the following command we can scan multiple IP address using a single command. So now we are going to perform our other scan, that is to detect the running services and their versions on open port. So to do that we can run the following command. By running this command we can detect the running services and their versions on open ports. It helps us to identify vulnerable services. So let's run it. So as we can see, our scan is done, and it also gives us the version on which it is running, like 421 as version of VSF TPD 2.3.4 and all these. Suppose if we want to determine the target's operating system, we can run the following nmap command. By running this command, it will give us the operating system that we are dealing with. It will be beneficial for us to know the operating system, because by that we can know how much vulnerable it is, how we can exploit it. So we can see that our metasploitable machine has Linux operating system. Now if we want to use aggressive timing option to speed up this scan, we can run the following nmap command. By this command it will save our time and scan thoroughly. So we can see a quick scan was done, and we can see the port, states and services available. Now if we want to use nmap scripting engine to identify common vulnerabilities, we can run the following command. It might took some time. Last time I was running this command, nothing happened. I don't know why, but hopefully this time. Okay, so it is not running. So we will check on our browser that what can be alternatives. So I will just go to ChatGPT, and I will not log in, or I can. Now you can see I am logged in, and I have already checked for this. I can run this command. So I will copy it and paste it here. I will cut this sudo part because I am already a root user, so I don't need this. Now I will run this command, and let's wait for the output. So it is showing that host seem down. It is really up, but blocking our thing props. Try PN. So it is suggesting us to use PN. So let's try using PN. So I'm just using ChatGPT to give me the command that I required. So it gave us the command that we need to run. Now I'll just paste this. So this is how we can use ChatGPT and other tools to make our learning easy. Now I have to enter my IP address here and press enter. Now let's see if we will be successful or not. So it is still taking so much time. So if it is taking more time, we will just open a new terminal and I will become root user here. Now I will perform my last nmap scan here, that is to save this search scan result. That is very important to a test file. So if you want to save our scan result on a test file, we can use the following command, and I will change the file name. And, now if I run this command, nmap scan will be performed and the scan result will be saved on this result2.txt file. So I will run this command and the file has been saved. Now scan is done. So that's all for this project. I hope you enjoyed it and liked it. Thank you. The last nmap scan which was pending to use nmap scripting engine to identify common vulnerability is done now. So as you can see the result here, and a lot of information is provided by this. So that's all for today. Thank you.